Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network video. In this video it's a quick demonstration of the LAUNCH CRP129e. We're in a mini Countryman right now with the check engine light on, as you can see. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones unfortunately on the market, so if you use the link in the description below this video, it will guarantee that it takes you to a genuine and official product. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate the tool diagnosing and resetting this check engine light. So we have this plugged into the diagnostic port and we're just going to click on to diagnose. It's a touch screen, as you can see there are no buttons, and we need to find our manufacturer, which is Mini in this case. There it is, Mini, and we'll just click OK to that. Now the thing I like about this tool is it will automatically find the vehicle information. So if you click on automatically search, it'll find the VIN number, and you can take it from there, and it starts allowing you to going into diagnosing specific systems like the engines, the airbags, ABS, transmission, etc. So communicating, please wait. So it's found the VIN number. Do you want to change it? We'll click no because it's found the number correctly. Click on to next. Just click OK to that. So it's reading the vehicle data. Just a few more checks and it will then allow us to scan the vehicle and then find any faults. So click on to system scan. Now when you click system scan, it might appear that absolutely nothing's happening, but you just need to give it maybe 10-15 seconds and then you'll see a different screen load up. It's quite common for people to press the system scan many times and assume that nothing's going to happen. But you see I pressed it once there, then eventually it clicked on to showing us some particular systems. So ECM, engine control module, is linked with the check engine light, so we're going to click onto that and it's going to give us supplier information. It's a Bosch ECU. Click on to read fault code and it's giving us the 102613 hot film air mass meter short signal to B+. Now this basically in layman's terms tells us that there's a fault with the mass airflow sensor, or the MAF as it's also known. We've put a new MAF in fact, so but we've still got the check engine light on screen here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then we're going to click on to clear fault code. So we'll click clear fault code, and now it's telling us there's a communication error with the ECU. Sometimes it does this. Trying a couple of times can work, but if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is completely come out, go out. It's probably because this is such a new vehicle. If you go to OBD2, this option here, this gives you quick links to the engine module and will allow you to erase the fault codes another way. So click on to OK. If we just to show you there, go to read fault code. It's giving us the fault code there, and then we can go to clear fault code. So click on yes. Test conditions are not met. Sometimes what it wants you to do is turn the engine off and then put the ignition back on, which I've just done there. So we'll try that again. Clear fault code. The DTCs have been cleared now. That's a good sign. Check engine light is still on, so what I'll do is I'll just go to start the engine and hopefully we should see the check engine light disappear. There we go, it has done. And that's all thanks to the LAUNCH CRP129e. We're going to quit there, but it covers a lot of manufacturers. It covers your main systems like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, does service resets, things like that. But I will put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Like I say, there are fakes, there are clones on the market, so if you want to make sure you are getting the genuine product, make sure you use the links in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.